Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong, and I have got this enormous Trashy, junky, junk journal. This thing is massive. I need to weigh it and see how much it weighs, but I have some things I need to glue in here. So I thought that I would turn the camera on, and I just love that I have my big art desk from the workshop so you can see the whole thing. Oh, I do know that I have a tag that I want to put in here. It says, I want color, art, plants, and clothes. I have no idea. Maybe that was things I was working on. Oh, so fun. There are all kinds of trinkets in here. And I do have some things floating around that I want to glue in. Oh, I think these were in one of the fun packs. Reminds me so much of the graphics of the 70s when I was growing up. So true, so true. Maybe we can find a place to put this in the journal. That's fun. Ooh. Maybe we glue it right in that corner. Whoa. Poor quiet Q has nothing to do. He just hangs around, not making a sound. Let's just put that right there. And this is fun. This is a pocket that I made. It's got all these circles glued along the edge. I might have to go closer to the back. This thing is just getting so full. But there may be a few little places for some ephemera. That would be pretty there. This is one of the little pieces of fodder I made this morning. Let's put it right there. This is so funny. That is like a little postcard I had hanging up in Paper Town. We've got the stamps and the vintage postcard ink stamp there. I had my address on there because it was just hanging up out in my workshop, but I went ahead and scratched through it so that I could put it in the journal. Who is this? It looks like Mick Jagger. Yes, maybe we might just glue him in on the fabric there. And if it doesn't stay, then we will find another way to attach it. But you know what we could do? That's right at the top. So let's put a little staple there. Can't always get what you want. Okay. And I did find this in the trinkets. Little political pin that was in the trinket bag I bought. So let's just put it in here because it was in the trinket bag. Y'all means all. And that was a local political campaign. So obviously someone had that button. Oh, we could put that under there. I don't want to lose those big flowers, though. Oh, I started to say we could tape it in and have another place to add stuff, but this journal, honestly, is not going to take much more. That's just so fun. It's so fun. And I know, let's see. There's a tiny little silver star that I cut out of some packaging. So let's glue that in. Let's put it right there. Hopefully that will stay. Love this page. I love all the pages. Let's get over to the back. We've got this masking tape here that could use some decorating. These bright new Posca markers. They're fluorescent colors. Maybe I'll stop for now and not, well, I don't know. I'm not going to stop. I can't stop. Let's do another heart or two in some bright orange. I just didn't want to bore everybody, but you know, we're playing in a trash journal, and that's a part of playing. Plus, it's going to be so pretty when we're done. Jason is teaching tonight, so he is in there with his lesson. They usually talk a little bit before they actually start playing, so maybe I'll have a few minutes of quiet to work in this. Get a few things glued in, and I will definitely be back with this, because when I finally feel like it's full, we're definitely going to do a flip through. So the little star, out of all the fodder that, did I really not put anything in here? That's crazy. We have to do something about that, I think. Can I cut? Can't believe I did that. Oh, look. Perfect. And we've got to have something somewhere that we can just slide up into that pocket. I'm right here. I'm going through lots of stuff. Close by. Oh, I think I found something. I wonder if we can just slide part of this little bird page up in there. Oh, that's perfect. Except maybe we will, oh, I hate to cut the little bird. So let's just slide that right up in there and get that where we want it to be. And this is a good time for stapler. Make sure I'm not stapling through something that'll mess up the stapler. That's not usually the case though. Oh, look at these little ducks. We'll have to do something with those for sure. Maybe we'll have the opportunity to put them in here before it's over with. I was looking for this. Does anybody remember when I said I had my scraper and I was going to lay it where I could see it because I thought that's really handy, and then I said, well, maybe that's not what I said to myself because it's gone. Look, it was stuck in that journal. That's crazy. I don't even know how it got in there. Oh yeah, look. These little ducks are so cute. Let's see if we can glue them on here somewhere. Oh, they're so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Let's put that there. I think working in trashy journals, that's just one of my favorite things. Whoops. Sorry, people. That was the tacky glue. I know that was loud. Oh, we have to have a star somewhere. Maybe right there next to... Would that go? Let's put it right there. Out of all of this fodder, I just love the moons and the stars. They turned out so great. Well, to me, I know everybody has stuff that they like. I hear you, Blatty. There, so that can be right under that. I need to make some smaller versions of these. I keep saying I'm going to do that, and I just haven't done it yet. You know, I have this adorable little tag from Carolyn. I was thinking about putting it on there, but that might take something a little bigger. Let's put this on this fabric ruffle. That's from one of the paint rags that was out in Paper Town. And, oh, you know what I could do? That could go there. I really think I would have to staple it though, because it's not gonna stay glued to that paper, I don't think. But I like this because it can just sort of hang around there. And yeah, we're not going to staple anywhere else. It can just be right there, and that's fine with me. So here is a little tag. Oh look, we've got sort of this double flip out page. Will that fit? That's kind of a small pocket. Oh, but that does fit. That was like a little journaling card from another project. And I have been taking apart some journals that were out in Paper Town, things that I've abandoned or just lost interest in. And as I've mentioned recently, that is completely okay. Hey, baby. Hi, Lulu. You need to get down. You need to get down. There's not room for you up here. Hi. I'm gonna sit in my lap. Oh, look how full this thing is getting. Love that. So I want to cover that up. All this stuff in here. I don't even know what that is. I think it was in a trinket bag, and I just went ahead and tied it in here. This one's just about full, honestly. You know what? That could go there. Oh, I love that. Let's put some glue on the back. I've got kind of some personal notes on the other side, so I'm gonna do that off camera right here. I don't need those personal notes anymore. It was just one of those like personal journal entries that I don't really need, but I don't really want to put it on camera either. And I think I am gonna add a staple right here. And whoa, right there to help that stay down. And look, that gives me a pocket for a few more things. I know. So here's a little entry that can go in. So look at the little Holly Hobby image. That was just a journal entry from a journal that I took apart. That can be in there. Yeah, I mean, this journal, like I said, it's not going to take much more. I do feel like we need to put something here. And I definitely need my birdsong stamp on there somewhere. Let's cut that off and give it a little bit of tacky glue where it's starting to unravel too much. I love this fabric. I don't particularly care for the way it ravels. You know, sometimes that's really pretty and sometimes it's not. It depends on the kind of fabric, but you know, for a project like this, I'll just take some tacky glue and run it under the edge. In fact, I think I already did it across here to keep it from getting any worse. And that way, we can just enjoy it and not worry about having something that we don't really like. Okay, just so much fun. I really think, you know what I'm gonna do probably? I will probably add just a few more things to this. I don't want to bore you on camera with it, but I will put my stamp on it and then do a final flip through. But I do love this. I keep saying it's gonna have to end up on display when I find a place to do some kind of sale or have a gallery or something like that. But for now, this is in my little paper hamlet, which is where I create. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back really soon, and bye for now.